with Ursula out of...
Yeah.
Gentlemen, thanks for both coming in.
Little Mermaid.
Des Brown,
No,
let's
not
face
there.
it.
Ursula? Can you not remember the pop-out lipstick? I can drink a lot. Like that, nephews. That violent? What nephews? That didn't make me cringe at all.
To be significant results.
Who's there? Ugly.
I work with her.
Oh.
Hey?
Where?
Who? I was supposed to get my... I lent it to him last night. That CD.
In Europe, you know, and also a slowdown in
Done who?
and in house price inflation.
Make it look like... Why?
Loaded potato skin.
Loaded? What's loaded?
Potato skin. Jacket potato like that. With cheese in it. And red onion. And red onion. And sour cream. What is it?
A John Martin picture.
What's the film called then?
What's wrong? That there's a John Martin picture.
Yeah.
What's those YouTube videos?
When did we meet? Last summer?
It was Easter.
Last Easter?
It was
April?
Easter. Yeah.
No.
Beast.
This April.
Beast, yeah. This April, this year April.
The year before, the summer the...
Who watched Screech?
If we look at the growth figures for the third quarter, we are now the worst performing economy of all the major economies in the world, bar Italy. We have to look at how Britain is being prepared to competitive battles. And on that score, the Chancellor is failing very badly. He said himself that the fundamental reality
I can't wait to see the Jonathan one. I know, it's going to be
It's just going to be hilarious.
I'm getting my haircut soon.
Oh, yeah, you can.
1997 to 0.5% this year. That is
Do you want it?
Oh, she got my pin.
Wow, so is that? A world being licked out. He's...
Right, let's go for it.
Comparatively important issues, but they're only a small part of the report.
Yeah.
Is that stability of this economy has given Gordon Brown a platform to spell out how we were going to address the very challenges that Philip identifies.
Excuse me.
Okay. I've got like a special thing that like opposite Blackbusters.
For example,
Blackbusters?
World Bank
I was thinking of Ghostbusters. Why is that so far away? Look, it's supposed to be mission. It's mission. Water. Mission.
Do you need to
All
read
the
it?
magazines have gone. It's gone.
Chucked them all away.
Seen a
New
phenomenal
ones.
which has seen 2.3 million people work.
No.
200,000 alone over the last year, 1 million of them in small businesses.
It was the last number, yeah?
3,500 new businesses being created every week.
I just dropped all that rota.
It was the last number, yeah?
Yeah.
100 million promised today. Is that going to get anywhere
Is
near
it?
Don't know much about history. Don't know much
I love
about Don't know much about science books. Don't know much about the French I took.
Basic principles. No matter what, no matter when, no matter who, any man has a chance to sweep any woman off her feet. Just needs the right groom.
You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want. You can get it.
Million plus this year and 500 million next year. And we've been working with the LGA very closely in relation to this. The fundamental of this is that we don't accept the LGA's figures, that there is a £2 billion shortfall. And implicitly we don't accept a minor.
Easy we are.
I haven't had the opportunity to speak to the LGA. Significantly closer to each other in discussions, and we found this substantial which in my view
Oh, is it?
at 5% of the law.
I'm joking.
They ought to be able to bring them in at 5%. So I'm not talking about 5%. I'm not talking about this. Is not my responsibility. I'm saying understand that generated from central government and still ultimately local government to bring in 5% of the law, as they were able to do very briefly last year when they brought in 4%.
Very briefly. Sure, the only way out is to sort of do the only way out is more of that.
No, absolutely not. We are jealous of the and all of the spending that we have envisaged.
My ring's going to fall off. The summer before we...
The advantage of the way in which we run the economy is that we can reduce the deficit year on year as the projections indicate, but at the same time we can borrow to invest for the future.
You say we can get out of this hole without taxation, Philip Hammond?
Well, the fiscal rules are discredited by Gordon Brown's fiddling with them. What we've seen today is an announcement of a huge increase in borrowing and an increase in taxation. That increase in taxation has been put in the politically most convenient area.
In America, leading television
That is
events
not the way
have
to build Britain
confessed.
for the future.
Ms. Brown, we'll have to leave it there. Thanks very much indeed. Now, the trial of Saddam Hussein has heard from the first witnesses for the prosecution. With that and more of the day's news, here's Bridget.
It was a day of high drama and emotion at the trial of the former Iraqi dictator. First, the entire defense